In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Samsung A14 to Hisense Smart TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a Smart TV from Hisense that you would like to connect your Samsung device to, usually the main way to do this would be through Smart View. However, the A14 does not have the Smart View feature. So in this video, I'm going to show you an alternative that is going to work for this particular model or any other model that doesn't have Smart View natively. So for this, you will need to download the Google Home application. The Google Home app allows you to connect various different devices as long as they have smart functionalities, including the Hisense TV. So open Google Home, choose the option to add a new device, and you will be able to select TV from the list. So if you don't see it here, just scroll all the way down and you will be able to find devices nearby. Once it is properly connected, as long as they are on the same network, you will be able to choose the TV, you will see the current status, and at the bottom, you will find the option to cast your screen. So if you choose Cast My Screen, you will see this message. Mirroring lets you cast your phone's or tablet's screen and audio to your TV or speakers. All that you have to do now is choose the option to cast the screen, and whatever is playing on your A14 screen will now be cast over to the TV that you selected. You will be able to control the volume, so you will get this slider. And at the bottom, you have the option to stop mirroring. You might see additional options depending on the model of TV that you connect to, but to keep it simple, you simply need to download the Google Home app. Because this phone does not have Smart View like more modern Samsung devices, you need to use this secondary app to get this done. There might be other applications that allow you to screen mirror, but this is the one that I'm going to be recommending in this video. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Samsung A14 to Hisense Smart TV. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.